Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling features, because Tally needs the accounting layer active to accept journal entries. Once done, open Accounting Vouchers and press F7 to launch the journal screen. This is the first actionable step. Make sure the relevant ledgers exist. If not, create them quickly from the ledger creation shortcut. You do this now to avoid interruptions during entry, and because correct ledgers ensure accurate posting and reporting immediately. You enter the date and confirm the voucher number strategy, auto or manual, so Tally sequences records correctly. Next, record the debit line first, choose the ledger, and enter the amount, then move to the credit ledger and enter the balancing amount. Use narration to describe why the entry exists, referencing invoices or adjustments. This helps later audits and reconciliations. Also, verify tax or cost center allocations, if applicable, so you finalize by accepting each line and saving the voucher. Tally will post it immediately to books. Once saved, verify the daybook and affected ledgers, then confirm the trial balance shows the entry correctly. This ensures accuracy across reports. If you encounter an imbalance, pause and recheck amounts, alternate ledgers, cost centers, or currency settings. Mismatched ledger types or forgotten sign conventions are common causes. Correct and resave to maintain clean financials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.